If you want to embed Google Forms in Gamma app, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and fast way. Whether you're building a presentation, a landing page, or a team workspace, adding a Google form inside Gamma can make your project much more interactive and useful. You can collect responses, gather feedback, or let viewers sign up without sending them to another page. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open the Google form that you want to embed. This could be a feedback form, a survey, an event registration form, or any form you've already created in your Google Drive. Make sure the form is fully set up before you continue, because what you're embedding is the live form itself. Once your form is open, look toward the top right corner and click Send. This is the button Google Forms uses to share your form with others. After you click Send, you'll see a few different options for sharing the form. From there, you can either copy the form link or the embed link, depending on what works best for Gamma. If you see the embed code option, that can also be useful in some cases, but for most users, copying the form link is the easiest method. Just make sure you have the correct URL ready before moving to the next step. Now switch over to your Gamma project. Open the presentation, page, or document where you want the Google form to appear. Gamma makes it easy to insert different types of content into your project, and embedding forms is a great way to make your page more dynamic. Next, click the card or content block where you want the form to be placed. This is important because Gamma will insert the form right where your cursor or selected block is located. So if you want the form near the bottom of the page, click that section first. After selecting the right spot, choose Embed from the Insert options. Gamma gives you several content insertion tools, and the Embed option is the one you need for adding external content like forms, videos, or websites. Once you click Embed, Gamma will ask you to paste a link or embed source. Now paste the Google form link you copied earlier into the field. Be sure to paste the correct link and not a shortened or broken version. Then click Insert or confirm the embed, depending on the prompt Gamma shows you. Gamma will process the link and load the form directly into your project. Once it's inserted, you should see the Google form embedded inside your Gamma page. That means viewers can interact with it right there without needing to open a separate tab. This is especially helpful if you want a smoother user experience or if you're presenting the form as part of a larger workflow. If the form doesn't display immediately, give it a moment to load. Sometimes embedded content takes a few seconds to appear, especially if your internet connection is slow or the form has a lot of fields. Also, double-check that the form is set to allow responses, because a closed form won't work properly for viewers. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can embed Google Forms in Gamma app and make your project more interactive and professional. This is a great feature for teachers, creators, businesses, and teams who want to collect information directly inside a clean, modern page. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.